Hi, this is Bill for Sparky channel, and I have a viewer that's wrote in, and he's complaining about odd voltage readings. He's getting odd voltage readings. He wants to know what to do. So here we got a voltage reading. We have this red lead. The red lead of your meter always goes on the hot wire, and the black wire is on the neutral. And we're getting a reading of 7.85 volts, which is an odd reading. So here I'm using my Volt 1AC fluke voltage sensor, and this sensor won't go off unless there's at least 90 volts there. So that tells you there's at least 90 volts. So we're getting about 8 volts. So this is an odd reading. So what we're going to do to fix this is right away we're going to turn off the circuit breaker. We're going to be looking for loose wiring. Here in the light box, there's really no wiring and everything looks fine. So we go to the next box. See, now we're going to examine this box right here and see if we find any loose wires. So this is a three-way switch right here, and we'll tighten that. No, these are all. So now we'll check these neutral wires right here. Ooh, look at that! It was loose, and this one's broken. Look at that. So what I'll do is I'll put a new end on this. Okay, and get a good wire net. Make sure it's an excellent wire net. Put it together like this. Put it on all the way and twist it really good. Okay, so that's a nice good connection now. So let's turn the circuit breaker back on. And look at that. We've got 119.2 volts. So now we have an excellent voltage. It's probably even better if this is on a little better. Okay, 119.8, and it was all because there was a loose wire right here, a loose connection, a partially broken wire. That's what'll do it. 9 times out of 10, that's what's going to do it. So you would look, first of all, in this box where you're getting the weird reading, the odd reading, as you said. Then you go to the very next box. If that didn't resolve the situation, you go to the next box, and so forth. So I hope that helps. Thanks.